Researchers have discovered a unique matching mechanism that affects the outcome of blood stem cell transplants and helps improve survival rates for those suffering from leukemia and other blood cancers. The breakthrough story was published in the Lancet Oncology. For a blood cancer sufferer who has remained unresponsive to all other treatment options, there is usually one last glimmer of hope. This last resort involves treatment with blood stem cells from an unrelated living donor. An allele is an alternative form of a gene. To determine if a donor is a match, doctors look for matches of the human leukocyte antigen type of 5 key alleles that occur in the bloodstream. The goal is to achieve a 10 out of 10 match to reduce the complications associated with transplants, such as the occurrence of acute graft-versus-host disease. However, due to a host of complex reasons that are not yet fully understood, even a 10 out of 10 match does not guarantee a successful transplant. Researchers led by Dr. Bronwen Shaw have discovered a hidden role of an additional allele that gives new insight on transplant outcomes. It was previously thought that this allele had no impact on transplant success, as it is not often matched between patient and donor. However, the new study revealed that it is possible to have permissive and non-permissive allele mismatches that have a tremendous impact on transplant outcomes. For the study, the research team retrospectively analyzed over 5,400 transplants with a 10 out of 10 match, discovering that 49% were non-permissive mismatches. The researchers found non-permissive mismatches to be linked to a substantially increased risk of overall mortality and severe acute graft-versus-host disease when compared with permissive mismatches. Dr. Shaw concludes, these findings provide a practical clinical strategy for lowering the risk of death following an unrelated donor blood stem cell transplant.